Okay, so whenever he say wrong, then we can correct him, ensure that he will not do the mistakes next time. Okay, how much salary package we can get maximum possible? Okay, if you are a fresher, you will get a 5 lakhs. Okay, 4.5 to 5. If you are experienced, there is no limit. I have seen the people who are getting 50 lakhs in Azure, 25 lakhs. I have seen I'm just talking about some of the people which I know. They are getting 40, 50, 60 also I have seen. Okay, if you have
And in the art of speaking, graduate, all right. Sanket is asking, please tell me, give me some information. Analyze interview for attending. All right. Let me go through. I'm already trying to change. Fortunate to have you guys over here. That is maximum that a speaker can demand, an audience who listens. All right, great. If there are any questions, put it down in the comment section. Is stammering affecting in the interview? All right, we are going to discuss a couple of questions before we get to the next part. So number one question is analyzing interview, which is from an artist, and then we are going to get into stammering. All right, great. Are there any more questions? Meditation and all does not really matter. Great. Okay, nice. We are going to continue now. Show some energy, guys. Are you guys enjoying the session? Tell me, do you feel guilty that it is free? How many of you guys attended a lot of paid courses but was not as good as this one? Let me know. All right, getting back to the point again. There are two questions that we are having. How do we analyze an interview before we actually appear in that? The best way to analyze an interview is to go through the interview questions, which will be available in a lot of interview experiences on Quora. Quora is the best platform for that, but there are other platforms as well. There are a lot of websites that are popping up. So all you have to do is, let us say, I want to find out how the Capgemini interview goes, how the TCS interview goes, how the Indian Army interview goes, how ISC Bank interview goes. All I'm going to do is IIT Bombay interview experience, enter, and you're going to find a lot of experience over there. IIT Bombay interview experience. Just type that and you'll get a lot of information. Yes. I used to do crazy things. Like even go to this third page, fourth page, search list. Ever asked? It might not have been. I would not suggest you guys to go that crazy, but search page, go through all.
Guys, good evening. Within a few minutes, session is going to start. Kindly wait for it's like 1 or 2 minutes. We are going to start the session within a few minutes. Okay, guys, we are going to start our batch 17 internship pre-talk now. And I really thank, okay, it's like I really thank those who all in this webinar. Okay, it's like I really thank you for showing the interest, and I really thank you for making this time more potential and spending it to us. Okay. Before getting into it, I like to share a few things about it's like my team and regarding my organization. Actually, this is my team, guys, and this is myself. I am Niranjan, and I am the founder and CEO of my company, Mako Robotics, and this is all my team. And we are a startup. Okay, it's like we are a startup, and in the year of 2019, we are into the play, and our major services, it's like our major services training robotics. It's like a training robotics, and after that manufacturing industry robots. Okay, so these are the two services that we are providing in touch. Training robotics is nothing but we train robotics to colleges, and after that industry peoples. Okay, and after that manufacturing industry robots, we how to say, it's like we customize the robots according to the industry requirement, and we provide to the end-to-end support for the robots, and as well as training for the robots. Okay, it's like this is all about a short description about my team. And if you want to have a more detail regarding ourselves and our services and our work, you can go to our website. Okay, that is mukulrobotics.com. That is our website. You can go to it and you can know more about us. Okay, this is a short description about my team. So, next thing is it's like now we are getting into the play of internship pre-talk session. That is all about what we are going to do in the pre-talk. What we are going to do. That's the thing that we are dealing with. Okay, that is the main reason that we have this pre-talk itself. Okay, here we will be explaining a detailed knowledge. Okay, what the 30 days internship is all about, and what you're going to learn, and what are the benefit about the internship. Okay, before getting into it, I like to clarify uh, actually what are the different types of internship that in a society have. Okay, it's like in the environment have. Okay, there are major two type of internship, because many college students are in doubt with that is like internship category. Okay, so I want to clarify this point over here. First internship is called as a job internship. Okay, first is called as a job internship, where you will be recruited by a company. Okay, it's like you will be recruited, or you'll be a part-time employee of that company, and you will be around. It's like you will be having the internship around for it's like 2 months to 6 months period, and you will be learning with them. Okay, you'll be learning with that company, and you'll be having a stipend. Okay, that is like you'll be having stipend from that company. Okay, since why they give a stipend for you is because you are doing a part of their job. Okay, meanwhile you are learning, you are doing a part of their job. So due to that, okay, it's like due to that they are in the stipend process. Okay, it all happens only after your graduation. Okay, only after your graduation of your engineering, or it's like a diploma, or your degree. Okay, once you're getting into a job, before a job sector, okay, you'll be going with the internship process, and they'll be assessing whether you are good for the company. Okay, it's like they'll be assessing in the manner of intern. Meanwhile, it is you'll be learning with them, and you'll be earning with them as well. Okay, this is the one type that is we called as the job internship. Okay, second type is called as a credit internship, where you go to a how to say, you go to a company to learn. Okay, you train with them. Okay, you'll be training in that particular domain. Okay, and you'll be getting the knowledge of the field. Okay, getting the knowledge of the field, and getting the knowledge of the how the company runs and how the career is all about. You'll be getting, only you will be getting trained. For that, you will be you will be, that is like you will be you want to pay to the company. Okay, so you will be paying to the company as a training fee. Okay, that usually done with the help of the college credit. Okay, in every colleges, there is a mandatory of that every person should attend an internship in a certain company for almost 1 month. Okay, it's like maximum almost 1 month. Okay, so that is all about the college credit internship, where you have to pay to the company for their training and for their certificate issue and all the things. And they, after your completion of training, they will be providing the that is like internship completion letter, after that certificate. Okay, so this is about the two internships, because many people are how to say, confused that why we need to pay to the company, because it is an internship, right? We want to get paid, right? Okay, it's like you have to give the salary to them, right? It is not about, only when you work to that company they'll be giving salary. Okay, it's like what's the reason that you're getting trained in that company, and why they need to give salary? Okay, that you want to think, right? So this is the two type of internship that we here we have. Okay, in that we are dealing now with, okay, in that we are dealing now with, it is a credit based internship. Okay, your college credit based internship. Okay, that is all about the paid internship. Okay, so in that phase only we are going to deal about. Okay, in that phase only we are going to deal about. Okay, I hope that you got clear about the different type of internship and what internship that we are getting into the pitch. Fine. Now it's like in our scenario we are dealing with industrial robotics internship. In our internship, there is a duration of 30 days. Okay, there is a duration of 30 days. In 30 days you will be learning about, that is like first 10 days you will be having the training day. That's like a vigorous training. First 10 days you'll be having a vigorous training. 20 days you will be having the project phase. Okay, first phase will be the training phase, and second phase will be the project phase. In first 10 days, what you're going to learn is, you will be learning with the help of the career of robotics field. Okay, how the career is going to be in robotics. And second, the job sectors. Okay, what are the different job domains that we all have. And third one, I will be dealing with this. It's like the robots which is used in industry and their working nature. Okay, how the robots are in the industry and what is the mechanism in it, and what is the application of it. Okay, total we are going to deal with the career aspect. Okay, that is core relevant to your next step of your future. Okay, that is the one thing where internship plays a vital role that we are going to give you first. And second one is the detailed knowledge about the usage of robots in industries and the day-to-day life. Okay, second thing that we'll be covering in that internship. Yeah, and the next one is we deal with projects. Why we are dealing with project is whatever you do, okay, we want to implement in our real time, and we want to implement in it in our hands-on thing, and we want to get experience, so that you are having a exclusive phase of project where you can it's like make your own idea out of the problem statement that we give. Okay, we'll be giving the problem statement for you, and you want to get the idea for it, and you want to develop. Okay, it's like you want to develop, you want to nurture the idea and bring it to a perfect solution. Okay, for making that perfect solution, we'll be guiding with you. Okay, we'll be guiding with you all sort of that's like the component, that is like what components that we want to use, all the things that will be guiding from our point of view. So you have 3 reviews in that. Okay, in each and every review you'll be having input from our side, and the improvisation of the project, how to deal with it. Okay, so this is the it's like agenda. Okay, this is the way that our internship moves. Okay, next one is how we deal with. Okay, it's like how this internship is going to happen. That is the major question. Okay, many people have asked that what is your location, what is the area where it is. Okay, since in this pandemic, okay, we have stopped the practical internship. Okay, now exclusively all the universities and colleges are suggested with the online internship. Okay, they are welcoming online internship, and it's like due to the COVID. Okay, we are dealing with the online internship, and it's like in online internship you will be having some doubts. How can I get the complete experience when compared to the practical? Okay, here is the uh, how to say, it's like a correct substitution that we have. Okay, with help of a virtual robotics toolkit. Okay, this is the substitution of a practical robotics kit. Okay, it is totally about the stimulation software where you how to say, it's like you stimulate a robot, and you'll be running the robot, and you'll be learning all the it's like mechanism. Okay, robot mechanism, and you'll be applying to the industrial role mechanism, and you'll be learning with that. Okay, this virtual robotics toolkit plays a vital role in our internship, and you'll be learning the toolkit, how this toolkit is worked, and what is the software behind it. Okay, what is the software behind it, and where it is used. Okay, total you'll be dealing with virtual robotics toolkit. I hope that you all know about it's like a robotic operating system, ROS. Okay, the ROS is the open source software, but it is a closed source software. Okay, it's like it is developed by a it's like a Canada-based company, and it is exclusively for how to say, it's like certain peoples. Okay, it's like in India. Okay, in India, I am the legal trainer of virtual robotics toolkit. Okay, so we use virtual robotics toolkit for the training purpose. Okay, but ROS kind of software, it is an open source software. It can be easily downloaded from the net. Okay, and it is not like that. Okay, here you can download it, and only the free license. Okay, that is like a free version can be you will be getting into that Canadian software. Okay, but it's like totally we'll be dealing with the licensed version. Okay, we'll be dealing with the licensed version with the software. So that is the difference between the ROS and the virtual robotics toolkit. And in VRT, the all the as like blocks are user friendly. Okay, you can easily deal with the VRT. We know you no need a prior experience to deal with robotics. Okay, it's like you can have a clear experience as a beginner, and as a, it's like you start from the amateur level and you can get a clear exposure to the robotics field, upcoming robotics field. Okay, so with help of this virtual robotics only, we are going to explore the internship, and we are going to learn all the things practical. Okay, with help of hands-on experience, we are going to deal with it. Now I like to share you a small working clipping of virtual robotics toolkit, how the software looks like, so that you have a clear idea rather than I am speaking. If you have a visual thing, it will be getting into your mind in detail. Okay.
Around the world, the Virtual Robotics Toolkit is being used for competitive and classroom robotics. Major learning advantages have been experienced by teachers and students when using our simulator to enhance their robotics activities. Developed in Canada, this software enables students to learn and practice robotics fundamentals, such as coding, early mechanical engineering, and creative problem solving. Just like pilots use flight simulators before getting into a plane, students can learn in larger groups with the VRT before working with a physical robot. Designed to enhance the LEGO Mindstorms experience, our high-quality graphics are comparable to real-life programming scenarios and accurately represent the robot's physical challenges.
What we're trying to do is to see if there's a way to engage kids. You know, China is a big country, so what we need to do is reach kids in different corners of China and see if we can bring them together. And we thought of maybe cognition is the tool to do it.
Due to the simulator's accuracy and overall ease of use, the competitive robotics world has embraced the VRT as a vital tool for the off-season. Teams in the World Robotic Olympiad feel simulators could be influential to competition outcomes.
We really like how Cognition and Virtual Robotics Toolkit has the virtual brick. We've used that to take screenshots and show kids what the screen should look like when we do a lesson that requires using the EV3 screen. It's really hard when you have a huge class to show it on an EV3 brick this small. When you have the Virtual Robotics Toolkit, you're able to show what's on the screen.
Considering how many students around the world love robotics and how important the associated skills are to their educational development, it's possible that simulated competitions could soon be the next level of international competitive robotics.
It's quite amazing how well you can actually replicate the real-life challenges inside the simulated environment in Cognition software. So I have really great hopes for this to become like a new feature within WR.
Introducing the Virtual Robotics Toolkit, a powerful new simulation tool that lets you design, build, and program a virtual LEGO Mindstorms robot. The Virtual Robotics Toolkit allows users to build and import their own 3D models from existing CAD tools like LEGO Digital Designer. The software then connects seamlessly to the LEGO Mindstorms programming environment, allowing users to control their digital creation using the exact same tools they would use to program the real thing. With support for a wide variety of sensors, a rich data logging toolset, and visualizations, you can get detailed insight into what your robot is doing. A sophisticated physics engine provides you with a lifelike experience. The Virtual Robotics Toolkit is an invaluable resource to any robotics team looking to get the leg up over the competition. This year's 2015 FLL season is all about handling trash. Trash collection, sorting, intuitive production, and recycling are just some of the tasks that your robot will have to perform. The Virtual Robotics Toolkit simulates the entire FLL experience in a way that makes you feel as if you're solving the challenge in real life. From pushing the truck to collect recyclables to composting garbage, the Virtual Robotics Toolkit stays true to the real-life experience of the physical mat. Whether you're new to the first LEGO League or a battle-hardened veteran, the Virtual Robotics Toolkit is an essential tool that lets teams hone the strategy, engineering, and programming skills needed to not only survive, but thrive in any challenge environment. With an infinite number of bricks at your disposal, where will your imagination take you?
Okay, guys, I hope that I got a clear understanding how the virtual robotics toolkit looks like and what is the performance underneath. And in this video, you have seen the real-time working, that is like a practical working model of the kit, and the virtual working of the kit. It's like it is same, okay, exactly the same. Okay, only thing is that you will have a kit in your hand. The next thing is here you have the all the working in your laptop. Okay, so like in this pandemic situation, we want to deal with the time with the best potential. Okay, so that only we came across with the virtual robotics toolkit thing, and we are nearly having 16 batches. Okay, it's like from past 6 to 7 months. Okay, we are dealing with the internship all over the India, and around we trained around it's like 170 plus students. Okay, in this it's like industrial robotics internship with help of virtual robotics toolkit. And I will share you this, like I will share you the reviews, okay, their feedbacks and what they felt, all our college students. It's like I will share you the thing in the flow of the it's like next slide. And one thing, I hope that everybody have few doubts, okay, regarding everybody having few doubts. At the end of the session, exclusively 10 days, exclusive 10 to 15 minutes is meant for Q&A. Okay, that time you can ask your questions, and I will be answering your questions. Okay, so kindly note down what are the doubts that you have, and make sure that you ask a valid question that makes a huge impact to all the audience. Okay. Next one is what is the benefit? Okay, definitely all will be dealing with the benefits. Okay, it's like all will be looking after benefits. Okay, you said all the things. This internship is 30 days, and so on. So what are the learning things? All the things that you have showed, all the things fine. What is the benefit out of it? Definitely you'll be having in your mind. First of all, from our side, we are making this virtual robotics toolkit with the license. Okay, we will be providing this toolkit with the license of 30 days. Okay, it's like it is an exclusive license, and it will be given for 30 days. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, this is the EV3 Mindstorm software. It is meant for programming. In virtual robotics toolkit, you will be stimulating the robot, but programming is done in different platform. That is a LabVIEW platform. Here, there is no need to have any prior coding skills. Okay, it is totally a different platform. Okay, it's like that. It is totally different, a LabVIEW platform. So don't get afraid, okay, because many queries came before badges, and it's like 2 to 3 badges before that. Is like I'm a mechanical student, and I don't know that much coding over here, and whether I can cope up with the internship or not. Likewise, I think so. You have many questions in your mind. From my side, I can give you a correct answer. Is this LabVIEW software is exclusively new to many people, and there is no need to have a typing code. Okay, it's like it is a pick and place. Okay, it is a block based programming. Okay, because many robots don't have coding process. Okay, only few robots have a coding process. Many people will be working on with the LabVIEW, okay, or else Python when it comes to the automation and robotics. So don't worry that you don't know coding. Okay, we start from the basic, and we need only logical thinking. Okay, the coding and syntaxes varies totally over here in this EV3 Mindstorm software. So don't worry regarding the coding, and don't worry regarding the pre-skills. Okay, it's like many people ask that whether I need pre-skills for attending the robotics internship. It is not about like it is totally about internship. Okay, because it starts from the beginning level. Okay, totally will be giving with the level of amateur level, and we will be moving to the next phase. Okay, in 10 days we will be splitting the phase and we will be moving it. And when it comes to the project phase, we will be having a clear idea regarding the robotics field. So don't worry that already is there any prior knowledge is required for the internship or not. There is no that kind of thing. We start from the beginning level. So third one is internship certification. Okay, and the fourth one is internship completion letter. Okay, the difference between the certification and completion letter is certification. It is just as a acknowledgement. Okay, it's like you have attended this internship till the date and from date. Okay, this is acknowledgement. And internship completion letter is the main thing for the internship. It is like here we'll be mentioning your performance, entire detail. Okay, it's like your entire detail will be over there, and the project detail, what project that you are done. Okay, it's like all the things that will be mentioned over here. Okay, so both two things will be done, and the one add-on is it will be sent through the courier. It is a hard copy because many people have a preference of hard copy certificate, so we are with the hard copy. Okay, it's like we'll be sending soft copy and as well as the hard copy. Soft copy will be sent instantly once the internship have been done, and hard copy will be sent once the condition is getting normal. Okay, once the COVID is totally in normal, we'll be sending through hard copy, because all over India we are dealing with the students and colleges, and it's like if it is nearest to the location, it can be easily reached, and the courier is not that much efficient for all over India. Okay, so we do not like to take risk in this certificate and letter in the situation. So as instant, we send soft copy, and after that we will be sending the hard copy, because all the colleges are required with the soft copy. Okay, it's like many students said that, bro, I need a soft copy. Okay, it's like a soft copy is the main thing that all colleges need. So I will be sending the soft copy first as an instant. Okay, so these all are the benefits that the core benefits that we are into the internship we are packed. Next one is those who are in team. Okay, it's like those who have a team of 3 members. Okay, those who have the project mates, classmates, and close friends of a team of 3 members. They have a add-on advantage, like they'll be having a different problem statement, and they'll be having an add-on certification, that is like it is a completion team completion letter that you'll be getting with the add-on with the team of 3. Okay, once you are coming with a team of 3, you'll be getting an add-on team completion letter. Okay, that is because I will say the reason why it is. It's like there are two registrations. One is team registration and individual registration. Okay, individual is they have the same, all the training process is same, and the variation is only with the project. Okay, for individual people, I will be giving the project according to the capability how the individual can do. Okay, only to the how to say, it's like maximum extent he can go with that with help of only 1% resource. But when come to the team, he can able to implement this project into the real time. Okay, for example, the mini project in their colleges, and after that final year, as a final year project they can go with. So I appreciate those who are coming with team, so that you can implement this project into a real time, rather than leaving the project in this internship. Okay, only with the internship for the sake of internship. I need the people who are implementing into the day-to-day life. Okay, so I prefer, okay, it's like I prefer with the team of 3, so that only we are making an add-on of different problem statement for them, and a team completion letter. Okay, it is add-on. They'll be getting an individual letter. Okay, individual completion letter and individual certificate. Including that, you'll be getting a team completion letter for a team. Okay, for one team, you'll be getting a one team completion letter. That is mentioned as the 3 people who are in. Okay, and after that it's like they came with the team and they have attended the internship and they done with this project category, and their performance, all it is mentioned over here. And in some colleges, okay, some colleges they have the project mate as up to 5 peoples. Okay, that depends upon the colleges. Okay, in some colleges have the 5 people to the max. 5 people or 5 people as well can be in team. Okay, because maximum the colleges are with team of 3. Okay, 3 people can be done with the project. Okay, in some colleges they have 5. 5 also, if the colleges allows, here also we are getting permitted for 5 people to do a internship in a batch in a team, and they complete in a complete the team project, and once after they are done with, they can implement in their college level, and they can present to the colleges all the things. Okay, so this is the add-on for the team participants. Next one is when the internship going to take place. It's like at what phase and what time, what date it is going to take place. Actually, now we are dealing with batch 17. Okay, it's like batch 16 is going on. Okay, batch 16 is going on. Batch 17 is from 5. Okay, batch 16 is batch 17 is from 5, and it aims to that's like 3. Okay, total 30 days. Okay, this is the duration. And as I said, the first 10 days will be the internship training. 10 days will be internship training, and next 20 days will be the 20 days will be the it's like internship project. Okay, and the timing for the first 10 days is okay, it's like 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. as a timing as here. Okay, as timing as now it is the same time, 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. We'll be dealing with the first 10 days of training phase. Next 20 days will be split into 3 that's like 3 reviews. Okay, each week we'll be dealing with one first review, second review, third review. Okay, so we'll be dealing with the 3 reviews in the next 20 day phase, internship phase. And in between, if you have any doubt in your project development, you can have a certain appointment and you can deal with it. Okay, so this is about the timing, this is about the schedule and all the things. Next one is the fee for this internship training. Okay, it's like included of the softwares. Okay, included of the it's like certificate to the hard copy. Okay, all the included. It is 1,500 INR. Okay, it is all about the it's like it is not about if they are coming in a team. There is a certain discount, and it is not kind of thing, guys. It is per head it is 1,500. Okay, if the people are coming with a team, for a team per it is counted with the individual. Okay, it's like only benefit when they are in a team is they can implement their project in their day-to-day, that is like in their colleges, and after that the team completion letter they can get. Okay, that is the benefit in your career path. Okay, that's the thing that we can able to give to the max. Okay, so this is the fee structure for the training. Okay, and by today 9:30 we'll be opening the registration. I will be sharing the registration to the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will be sharing through the WhatsApp group. Kindly be touch in that WhatsApp group. I will be sending the registrations, and once you registered, you will be getting a confirmation message to your registered number. Okay, whether it's like you are totally aware of a registration or not, because sometimes it's like the registration may vary. So to confirm that you have registered and whether you are really interested, we'll be having a confirmation message. And once you confirm the registration, okay, it's like once you confirm your name, we'll be sending you the it's like our payment details, and you will be making the payment. Okay, it's like and the total payment last date of payment, and after that the content total, the internship content, all the things will be shared through the internship registration in the time of 9:30. Okay, 9:30 you'll be sending all the internship content. In the 10 days, what are the things that you're going to do? The day wise, I have segregated, and it's like you can get a clear view when you go with the day wise. Okay, and the sample, that is like the sample of the certificate will be like this. Okay, this is a sample of the completion letter. Okay, this is the sample of the completion letter, and this is the candidate. It is the student from IIT Kharagpur. Okay, it's like uh, and this is the sample of the letter. And here you'll be having the Mukudal ID, that is here it is over here, and once you scan it, it will be in our register whether you are participated or not. Okay, for a confirmation, your staff, okay, it's like your staff or your HR can definitely use it. Okay, whether you really attended the internship or not. Okay, for the confirmation, we have the QR code over here. Okay, so it is about the sample. Just you can have a look into it. This is the sample letter. Okay, it will be same like this. It will be having the same letter like this. And next one is the certificate. Okay, certificate will be same as this format. Okay, the date will be mentioned over here, and here also for certification also we have a QR code for the verification confirmation whether you have attended or not. Okay, so it is the format of the letter, and after that the certificate. Okay, and if you want to look around the review, okay, so like if you want to look around our past batch review, go to Google. Okay, so just go to Google, and you can deal with the Mukudal Robotics. Okay, just you can go with the Mukudal Robotics, type Mukudal Robotics, and you will be having the review. You'll be having this review, all the review over here. Okay, just you can totally 172 review. Just it's all about our previous 16 batches, and you can read all the reviews so that you can get the confidence that how it is meant to be. Okay, how the internship is going the flow. Okay, so just you can go to the review so that you can have a clear understanding how it is being there. Okay, just type Mukudal Robotics and go to the Google My Review, and you can have the review to be read. Okay, guys, now I am open to Q&A session. That is like your question and answers. And now I give your answers. Okay, if the question is really valid, okay, if your question is really valid, and it helps other people's question also to improvise, I will be really replying. Okay, if your question is unrelated and unvalid, it's like I will be skipping your questions, so don't mind. If your question is really valid, I'll be replying. And one thing, it's like if I missed your question, or if I did not it's like in some cases I can't make it uh, to go with all the steps. Okay, so you can send it through my WhatsApp, or you can call. From tomorrow will be have the inquiries. Okay, from tomorrow you can have in touch with us, and you can ask whatever the doubts that you really have. Okay, I will open the chat, and you can ask your question, guys. Now your chat is open. Once after the chat, I will you can raise your hand. I will unmute you. Guys, your chat is open, and you can raise your hand so that I can answer to your question. Yes, can you hear me? Hello.
किसको बोलना?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah.
I just wanted to ask a question.
Yeah.
This is a virtual toolkit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I can implement it physically.
Implement that is like that you need go with physical robot.
Okay.
Okay, so in this situation, we are dealing with all the things with the virtual platform. Okay, so
Okay.
to go with the practical, you want to deal with the practical kit.
Okay. So I have to go when practical. So I can depend on this, right?
Yes, like for practical,
Okay.
that's like you can definitely you can apply this knowledge to your practical robot. Okay, all the logics and
Okay.
all the designs are same. Only thing is the way of platform varies.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Just I come to the chat. Explain again 1500 it's chargeable certificate. I think so. What sort of projects will be going to work on? Okay, the project is all regarding the recent scenario. Okay, you'll be dealing with the recent scenario. For example, I give a for example. I will be giving a problem statement like how to stop. That is like how to reduce COVID situation in hospitals. You want to deal with certain automation for that. You can deal with some robots for that. Okay, I will be giving a problem statement like that, and you want to find out yeah, idea, okay, which is not existing, or else if it is existing also you want to implement, that's like you want to improvise the idea a little bit, and you want to find out the solution after. Okay, so this is a sample of it. Okay, likewise we have plenty of different project things titled. Is there entitled Shakshi, it's like we have a continuous rollout of batch. Okay, it's like we have batch 18, batch 19. Okay, we'll be having continuous rollout of batch we have. And once it's like we have the get in touch with us. Okay, they get in touch with us. Once we start the batch 18, it's like if you're really interested, you can enroll to us. Tarun, it's like we'll be sending the details through the WhatsApp. Okay, it's like in PDF, we have entire detail. I'll be sending the PDF brochure so that you can go with the detail in that. Okay, it's like there is a day-wise segregation and all the topics will be mentioned over there. Okay, Abhishek, it is yeah, it is all about the real-time industry project. Okay, it's like it is all about real-time project. You'll be dealing with all the real-time projects and the real-time problems. You want to find out the solution, you want to deal with. Ashit, as I said, there is no, how to say, it's like a basic knowledge. It is all about the beginning level from it. Okay, there is no need to have any basic knowledge for the internship. So because we start from the basic level. Okay, that's like we start from the beginning level. Okay, so one thing that we all expect from the people is the, how to say, the interest, the learning interest.
Good evening, sir. My name is Nidhi.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Sir, you are still you have just said that the 1500 around something you
1500, yeah.
you mentioned there. So I'm just confusing. Please, can you explain again what is the if I'm taking this internship, so can we can paid you 1500 or not? This is a chargeable or not?
It is chargeable, yeah. It is, yeah. That's what I said. It is a paid internship. Okay, it's like it is a chargeable of 1500. That is the fee for training. Okay, so that is like that includes the license for the virtual robotics toolkit, and after that that includes the certification, all the things, and that includes the training. That is the fee of 1,500. Okay, so it is a chargeable, as I said from the beginning. Okay, it is a credit-based internship for the college students, and it is a that's like a paid internship. That is a chargeable internship. Shalini, sir, project will be given by you. It is like the problem statement will be given by us. Okay, it is not the project. Okay, we'll be giving the problem statement. You want to find out the solution. Okay, it's like you want to find out the solution, and you want to bring the idea, and you want to make it as a how to say, it's like project. Okay, total the problem statement is from our side, and the once you find out the idea, the guidance is from our side. Okay, you want to spend the time and you want to deal with all the how to say, it's like the solution finding, and we will be guiding with all aspects, and you should put your maximum interest and effort in the project phase. It's like registration link, that is you'll be having 4 days. Okay, actually we have only limited seats of 25. Okay, only 25 only can be accompanied in a batch. Okay, once the 25 have reached, we'll be closing the registration. It is not upon the time. Okay, because sometimes only 2 days. Okay, only 2 days, within 2 days all over the all registration may close. Sometimes it takes three days. Okay, sometimes it will be 1 day, because we are focused all over India. Okay, nearly how to say, it's like per batch. Okay, we'll be having many registration, and that few people can't enroll in the first batch. That is like batch 16, they'll be coming pre-booking for the batch 17. Okay, so it is all about the how to say, it's like making the registration as soon as possible. Okay, we follow the method of first come first serve. Okay, those who register first and those who block their seat first have we will be giving preference to them. By today 9:30 we will be opening the registration for the internship. Can you give some names of colleges in which these certificates? Okay, it is not a, this certificate can be valid over all over the. It's like it is not about the only particular colleges. Okay, you can make the certificate in your resume. You can make the certificate when you are dealing with the HR. Okay, okay, it's like because it is not about the validation is for only particular colleges or particular company. Okay, it is open to all the all over the world, because we use the international software, and we are dealing with the international training method. Okay, so all over the world, if you deal with virtual robotics toolkit, if you say, if they are really working on with the robotics, definitely they know what is virtual robotics toolkit, and you can explain to them. Okay, it is not about the only particular region the certificate is valid. Okay, it's like you can use all over the world. Okay, it's like because we deal with all the international brands. Just you can go to our website and you can see the resources that we use for training robotics and manufacturing robotics. That is all about the standard of total international, because usually our students, okay, our students will be from different states, and they'll be navigating from country to country. Okay, it's like they'll be navigating that time. If they continue, if they continue over here, and if they stop from our training, they need to go and continue that country as well. Okay, so only if it is an international brand, there also they can get into the training. For example, you have a Reebok shoe. Okay, you buy in India, and you have a service warranty. Okay, it's like you buy in, you have a service warranty. You can go to how to say, it's like Germany, there also you have a Reebok, you can go to that showroom and you can deal with that. Okay, that is about the international warranty they give. Likewise here also, it is all about the international software. So all over the world, you can get access to the certification. Nitin, okay, it's like a placement. As of now, we are not into the recruitment process due to COVID. Okay, it's like due to COVID, we are not in recruitment process. We are dealing with only the internship process. Okay, Nakul, you asked that after guys, after 30 days, the license key will be expired. And once you want to get the license key, that is after that, it is all regarding the paid version. That is like a yearly version you want to pay and you want to get. This 30 days license is for, how to say, it's like, since I am the, in India, we have certain people who deal with the training. Okay, for us, they have the license for 30 days. Okay, some account for the 30 days license. So we provide this 30 days license to the people who registered to the internship. With the help of that, we are conducting the internship. Once you want, after the 30 days, you want to pay and you want to get it. That is for yearly wise. That's yearly based license. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hand or you can send the doubts to the chat. Last 3 minutes, I will be in live, guys. Last 3 minutes. It's like if you have doubts and if you're not comfort in asking over here, you can send through the chat or you can call me tomorrow and you can clear your doubts. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can get into touch, guys. Okay, guys, I hope that there is no any more doubt. Really, thank you for your time and patience. By sharp 9:30, the registration links were open, and we opened only each batch. We'll be opening 25 seats, and it just depends upon first come first serve. Fine. And if you're really interested, you can register and you can book your seats prior. Okay, it's like, and if you have any doubts, okay, if you have any doubts in the internship, okay, you can be free to ask to us. Okay, and the content will be shared in the 9:30. That's like with the help of registration, so the content will be shared. Okay, okay, guys, it's like we'll see you in the internship. Those who are registered, we will be seeing in the internship. Thank you for your time and patience. Good night. Sweet dreams.